Okay, so I keep a PowerPoint that is just like graphics for my website. So you can see like these are all headings that I made for different pages. My green bar is here that I use at the top of all my pages. Or maybe this one, I don't know which one I used. But these are actually my buttons that I use. So here's how I made them. I just went up and put a shape in, right? And I recolored it, did the shape outline. I don't know if I like that. Okay. And then I usually add a shape effect, so something nice. And then you can add text to it by just right-clicking and just do edit text, and I just will type Bell Schedules. And you can then highlight that, and you can make it bold, and you can make it a little bigger, and you can, align it, whatever. And then you have a logo on your button, so you could add that too. A lot of the clip art that they have can actually be recolored, and if you just do format picture, you can play with the options. Like I know sometimes you can just change a little bit and that'll work. This was just a one color picture, but you can mess with that and figure out. You certainly don't have to make them look like mine. But anyway, okay, so there's my button, and then if you click and drag around the whole thing, it'll select all the pieces, and you can right click and group those together, which makes it real easy to copy and then paste. And make sure when you go to move this thing that you grab the whole thing, because it'll try and separate it on you. And then I just paste and paste and paste as many as I need. And then I start editing all the text. So I'll put, I don't know, Bell Schedules, and then what else do I need? My mind is totally blank. Student portal, whatever, right? You get the idea. So then if you select it so that you can clearly see that the entire thing is selected, you can right click and just do save as picture, and then put that somewhere that you can get to it easily. And then those are what I put up on the website as the quick link buttons. I have found that it's like these won't go real close to each other like this. Sometimes they'll spread themselves apart, and so you might need to, in order to get them to be a little bit closer, you might have to do something with you might have to snip it or something to get it closer, so you don't have as much room on the ends. And then also, and you can save the image, and then it's trimmed a little bit. You got rid of a little bit of white space at the top and the bottom. That'll help. And you can resave. And also, when I put them in there, I resize them to about 300 pixels in that column, because these save, and like there's no way to tell how big it is when it saves. So you do want to resave it or resize it as 300 pixels once you get it in there, in that column. And I do a table, and I put these each in a thing in the table. And you can probably mess with the table settings as well and get rid of some of the cell padding. That might help get them closer together too. So I hope that helps. Good luck.